Have you noticed that electricity plans are becoming more confusing than ever, especially if you have a solar panel or a battery in your house? A few years ago, the things were more simpler and easier. If you had a solar and all you have to do was find an electricity company and which offers the highest feeding tariff, and then more you export, the more money you make, and it was very simple. Many people ended up with a very low electricity price as well. But today that strategy doesn't work as well anymore. Why? Because Australia now has a million of homes and which got a solar panels already. During the middle of the day, so much solar energy is being generated that electricity is actually worth very little. Now, in fact, some days wholesale electricity price even become negative because there is simply too much power available in the market, especially in the daytime. This means the electricity companies are no longer paying a generous feeding tariff which they used to pay in the past. That's one of the biggest reasons why the batteries have more popular. Instead of selling extra solar energy or just a few or just to sell it in the few cents, you can store it in the battery and use it later in the evening when the electricity prices are more expensive. This allows you buy much less electricity from the grid and save more money over the time. Some battery owners go a little bit one step further ahead. They choose electricity plan that offers a high payment during the evening peaks. That's usually people call VPP. Their battery charges using a solar during the day, and later when the electricity demand is high, they can export some of the electricity back to the grid and receive handsome money, and they pay the electricity pay a little bit of money. Recently, many electricity retailers have also started offering a few hours of free electricity during the day. That's the reason I'm making this video. At first, that sounds look very amazing as well. Wow, free electricity. But remember, electricity companies also are in the business. They are also running a business. If they are giving away a free electricity, they will recover the money somewhere down the track. Now, exactly what we have started looking into it now. Many of the new plans now come with much higher daily supply charges or more expensive peak and electricity rate. So while the free electricity sounds attractive, it may actually cost you more depending upon how much electricity you use in your house. That is why it's more important than ever to compare the whole electricity plan instead of looking at just a one feature that my company is paying free. Don't choose a retailer simply because they advertise that they are going to give a high feeding tariff or a free electricity. Instead, look few things, like I would say first thing, their daily supply charges, biggest thing, the cost of the electricity during the peak hours, off peak hours, and third thing you see the feeding tariff, and whether the plan suits to your solar system and the battery. In fact, I would like to add another thing, that don't focus only on your electricity bill. Instead of that, working out how much you are actually paying for your kilowatt hour for your electricity and over the year, and calculate accordingly. If your solar and battery system can power most of your house, charge your electricity your car and everything during the daytime when the prices are low, and you're already if you are doing like this, you are already in the strong position. The best electricity plan isn't the one with the biggest marketing headline. It's the one that works best for you and for your house as well. So this is what I wanted to share in this video, because we see a lot of advertising and electricity companies are saying that yeah, we are actually giving a free electricity. So that's not the case. There is nothing in free in the world. This is how it's working. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want something these kind of more information, please subscribe the channel, like and share this video. See you in the next video.